So we'll do a problem for NFA. Language should contain strings of length 2 and your sigma is AB. Sigma is A, comma, B. So before we do it, we'll just have a quick overview. Of course, when the length is A, B, of length 2 means you will be having only 4 strings, A, B, A, B, B, A. Now you'll have to draw the NFA for that, which means you will start over here, state A, state B, state C. You are not bothered in whichever order it comes. Okay. So A, B, comma, A, B. This will be my final state. You need not bother in whichever order it comes. You will get the NFA. So this is the NFA for this particular language. Your language strings of length at least 2. Strings of length at least 2. Earlier we saw strings of length exactly 2. You'll have only 4 strings. At least 2 means you will have strings whose length is greater than or equal to 2, which means you'll have a 2 length string, 3 length string, 4 length, and so on. So anyway, you will be having a 2 length string. Now, how to construct a 2 length string? We already saw it a minute before. Okay, so I'll first have my 2 length string A, B, C. This is my starting state. This is my ending state. This is the NFA for a 2 length string. Now you should be having 3 length, 4 length, etc., etc. You can go on and on. This is my NFA for at least 2, which means you can have a 2 length string, a 3 length string, or a 4 length string. This is the NFA for a 2 length string, exactly 2, and then you simply go on adding a loop more. You will be getting greater than or equal to 2. Length is at most 2. Length is at most 2. Now, at most 2 means it will be less than or equal to 2, which means, you can of course have an empty length string. You can even have a 1 length string, and maximum you can have a 2 length string. So, let's go for the 2 length string. A, B, C. This is my final state. Yeah. A, comma, B. You can even have an empty string, which means A can be your final state. You can have a 1 length string, which means B can be a final state. And then, of course, your final length string, which C will be your final state. So this is how you construct an NFA for at most 2. Similarly, you can construct for at most 4, equal to 4, less than or equal to 4, greater than or equal to 4, whatever. The same logic will be followed. Any n length string, the correct number less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you can be constructing NFAs.